Okay, there's two questions. At the top, 7.1, and at the bottom, 7.2. At the bottom, you're filling in the blanks. At the top, just answer it below, okay? Below 7.1 there at the bottom. I want you doing both of them, the whole page. We're gonna have 5 minutes to complete that. Make sure your name is on it and begin when you get it. When you finish, just turn it face down and sit quietly. All right, you have 5 minutes. Circle it, yeah, make sure it face down. One more minute. No, we're not going to simplify. We'll just find the missing term and that's it. Okay, simplify. good that you can simplify, but we don't have to. It's not what it's asking. Just have to find the missing terms. All right, I want you to switch with your partner. Switch with your partner. Switch so you don't have to. We're gonna go over. All right, someone read the first one for me. Leah?
Lynn prepared 5 gallons of lemonade. She sold 3 at the town fair and brought the rest home for her family. Find the ratio of the amount of lemonade she sold to the amount of lemonade she brought home.
Okay, so how much she make?
5 gallons.
5. How much did she sell, Rachel? 3. So we have to figure out what?
The ratio of how much lemonade she sold to how much lemonade she brought home.
Okay, so we know how much she sold. It said 3, right? How do we figure out how much she brings home? Blake?
You subtract 3 from 5.
Okay, and you get what?
2.
2. So what's our ratio? Go.
3 to 2.
3 to 2. Thumbs up if your partner got that right. Wonderful. Wonderful. All right, let's look at the second one. All right, A. It says, find the missing term in each set of equivalent ratios. A is 7 to 21, and it says equal 1 to blank. Did it go up or down?
Down.
It went down. So did we multiply or divide? To get from 7 to 1. Divide. So what do you have to do from 21? Divide by 7. So what's the new ratio? 1 to 3 comes up if your partner got that right. Wonderful. B, Jacob Mills, went from 3 to 7 to, did it go up or down?
Up.
Up, so you have to do what?
Multiply.
Multiply. What's our new ratio?
21 to 49.
21 to 49. Who got that? Wonderful. C, we have 11 to 9 equals, Reese?
33 to 27.
33 to 27. Did it go up or down?
Up.
Up, so you had to do what? Multiply. And the last one, 120 to 200 equals blank to 10. Did it go up or down, Blake? So you have to do what? Divide. Natalie, what do you get? What's the new ratio? 6 to 10. How can we know, if we had 12 to 10, how do we know that that's wrong? Even if we can't figure out the math in our head. If it says 120 to 200, but then it says equals 12 to 10, how do we know that's wrong? The first number was smaller in the first ratio, so when it's equal, does the first number have to be smaller again? Yes, it has to be smaller as well. The ratios have to match, that's why they're equal. Okay, pass it back to your partner. All right, now put this face down. We're going to use it later. So put it face down in the corner of your desk somewhere. Okay. We're going to find the ratio using jelly beans. The other day we found the ratio. We went outside and we did what? What were the ratios we found?
We did ratio cars, trucks, and vans.
We did cars, trucks, vans, and something else.
SUVs.
SUVs and then total vehicles. We did that. All right, today we're going to do it with jelly beans and the colors. Okay? Do not eat the jelly beans. Okay? All right, do not eat the jelly beans yet. We might eat them at the end. Okay? You're going to be with a partner. I have a worksheet. The worksheet is for you and your partner. Put both names at the top. Okay? Work together. Work together. Really think about the questions. There's some questions that you're gonna be like, that's kind of confusing. Talk about it with your partner. See if you guys can figure it out together. All right? It's on the directions. We're gonna go to the directions just a second. So, let me pass these out to your set of partners.
What do I do about Jenny?
Jake, you're gonna be with them. You're gonna be a group of three. Okay. So you guys are gonna be a group of three. All right, we all know who our partners are. Same as every day.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, when you get your paper, put your name on it. When you get your jelly beans, you ready again. Does everybody have paper? Everybody has jelly beans? All right, let's see if we can answer the questions. Yes, you get the jelly beans out. Make sure they don't slide everywhere. Be careful so they don't go everywhere, because you need to know how many there are. Make sure you don't confuse your pink, orange, and red. Be careful, don't you? Be careful, don't you?
Yeah, 5. Okay, the green, here's 5.
I like Kaylee and Ethan's idea. They just left them in the bag and laid them down flat. Okay, if you hadn't done that already, that's fine. Got them out, that's all right.
I'm getting the marker. I think the yellow is going to have 5 sticks. Or not yellow, purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's purple. Okay, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess this
That's perfect.
That's purple.
Okay, the ones that look like black, those are the purple ones. Okay? It's actually purple. Or just real dark purple. Just gray. Is that correct?
Total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. This is 10, plus 15, plus this is 20. Plus this is 11, 6, 40 numbers. 40.
Alright, freeze eyes on me. Someone to read the directions for me. Where it says right below where you put your numbers, in bold it says solve. What does it say right after that, Rachel?
Oh, okay. It says express each ratio in simplest form.
Express each ratio in simplest form. Make sure you're doing that. Alright, back to work. same amount. Yeah, everybody does the same amount. No, everybody has the exact same. So that's gonna help you figure out.
Find the ratio of yellow area. Yellow No, it says green jelly beans. So it's 4 yellow and we divide it. Yeah, you can put that. And it will I think if we do eat them out, that's what I think it's possible. I think take a walk. I don't think it's that. Yeah, 5%. Okay,
Paper says you need.
I'll write this ready. Me 20. So one of the yeah, you're right. That'd be
Alright, we have about 5 more minutes.
That's not, you know, he is saying that. What's the ratio of green and yellow? You're going to go 10 4, that's 9. That's 15. So,
If it says it, not anymore than it says. Only when it says.
We didn't eat them.
Every group has the same amount of jelly beans. What is the total amount of green jelly beans? How many green jelly beans are there? How many groups are there? Well, how many groups are there? No, groups in the room. How many groups are there? 10. So how many green jelly beans? No, I mean green jelly beans are there? If you have 4 and there's 10 groups, how do we find the total amount?
So whatever.
4 times 10. So how many groups are there? No, 40, yeah. So there's 40. Three. How many total jelly beans in the room right now? There you go. Now, can you simplify that? All right, go.
Yes.
Let's go with 7. You said there's 40 So there's 240 total. And everybody was 40, so how many total Huh?
It's the same as we had.
Now what can you do with 40 and 40?
We just messed that up.
Simplify. Is that what it says on the next?
Yay! Oh, we gotta ask one name. We gotta split it. I get to how many? 11. That's 20? Yeah, we do. What?
Just a second. We cannot eat them yet. Unless the paper says you can.
Yeah, I don't want to eat them because I'm sure it's a double
And that could be confusing. Some people might be I'll accept either one.
You're supposed to try to stay away from
Yeah, so how many do you have after you ate them? Well, you start with 40. How many did you eat? How many did you eat? So how many purples do you have? So now you have 5 purple. So what is the ratio of your purple to the total amount now?
So 40 minus
34. So now your jelly beans purple is 5 to 34. Can you simplify that?
What is that? Did you take an extra?
Yes, what you have left now. No, I'll tell you in just a second.
So you add orange, green, and yellow jelly beans.
Raise your hand if you're still working. What number are you on? Number 8.
Split.
8. All right. Finish.
Miss Vic, we already got
Just sit quietly without chatting. That way I know who's still working. You guys finished? You guys are on number 9?
Yeah, we're on the last.
Okay, let's keep working. sheet. How many orange were there? Raise your hand. Keaton? 5. How many green? See if she's correct about how many green were. Thumbs up if she's correct. All right. How many yellow, Dylan? How many purple? Blake? 11. How many pink? Kaylee? Kaylee, how many pink?
8.
8. Alright. And Jake? How many red? 6. Natalie, what was our total? Okay. All right, Blake Williams. What is the ratio of orange jelly beans to pink jelly beans? You write it down for us. It's all right. All right, what else we know which one it's sensitive. All right, what is that, Blake? 5 to 8. Thumbs up if your group got 5 to 8. Can we simplify that, Reese? No, so we leave it 5 to 8. Number 2, what is the ratio of green jelly beans to red jelly beans? Elizabeth? 2 to 3. Looks like 12 to 3. All right, is this what it was, or did you simplify? Okay, what was it originally? It was 4 to 6, and then they had 4 to 6 simplified 2 to 3. Raise your hand if you agree with that. Wonderful. All right. Okay, number 3. What is the ratio of green jelly beans to the total amount? Green to the total. Madison?
4 to 40.
4 to 40. There's 4 green. 4 to 40. Can you do anything with that, or is that your final answer?
No.
You can simplify it to what?
1 to 10.
1 to 10. Is 4 to 40 and 1 to 10, are those the same ratio? Did our numbers change? Did our numbers of jelly beans change? No, we just put it in the simplest form, didn't we? All right, number 4. Find the ratio of yellow and green jelly beans to the total amount. Okay. All right, number 4. So it's yellow and green. Callie? Number 4. The ratio of yellow.
Alright, it is 10 to 40.
How many yellow are there?
Wait, my bad.
Yellow there was 6, and green there were 4, so 6 plus 4 is 10. So were you right? 10 to 40?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 10 to 40.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So number 4, 10 to 40. Is that your final answer?
No.
What'd you get, Callie? 1 1 to 4. So what does that mean, 1 to 4? What does that tell us, Leia?
It tells you that 1 to 4 is the simplest form.
Okay. What is 1 to 4?
So,
That's the ratio, but what is 1 to 4? Like if I just had 1 to 4 up there, could you tell me what was 1 and what was 4? What's the problem asking? Which is the 1 or the 4? What's the total? 4. So what's the 1?
the yellow green.
Okay. So out of every 4 jelly beans, there's at least 1 yellow or green, right? All right, that's the ratio of those. 5. Find the ratio of orange jelly beans to the rest of the jelly beans. So the rest, what makes that one a little different? What makes that problem a little bit different, the wording? Dylan?
Like, you take out the number of orange, like you have a total and you take out the number of oranges and then the ratio of orange to the rest of the.
Okay, so we don't count the orange in our total, do we? No, because we said the rest. So what's the ratio on 5, orange to the rest of the jelly beans? Dylan?
It's 6 to 36. Wait, no, 6 to 34. What? I mean, what was the?
Number 5. What is the rate?
Oh, I mean, 5 to 45.
The 45?
35.
35. 5 to 35. Okay. Can I leave it at that, or do I do anything with it? Rachel, do I leave it at 5 to 35?
We have to simplify it.
And it goes to what?
1 to 7.
1 to 7. Who agrees with that? Thumbs up. Great. All right. Number 6. What is the ratio of purple jelly beans to the total amount?
11 to 4.
11 to 4. 11 to 4?
I said 11 to 4 in D.
Okay. 11 to 4D. I think I'm just clicking on things. I don't know where it's going. There we go. 11 to 40. All right. Number 7. If every group had the same amount of jelly beans, what's the total amount of green jelly beans to the total jelly beans? How many groups were there? 10. And every group had how many greens?
4.
4. So how many total green ones were there, Kaylee? 40. How many total jelly beans were there in this class, Jacob Mills?
400.
400. So what's the ratio of green to total jelly beans?
42, 400.
42, 400. And that simplifies to what?
1 to 10.
1 to 10. So out of every 10 jelly beans in this room, how many are green?
4.
1. 1 out of every 10 are green. Great. So we have 40 to 400. That simplifies to 1 to 10. All right, number 8. It said eat 3 purple jelly beans. Who thought it was a trick? Some people asked, didn't really know. All right, so you got to eat 3 purple jelly beans. What's the ratio of the purple jelly beans to the total amount of your jelly beans now? So how did that change?
It changed because you had to subtract 6.
Okay, so what's the ratio now?
It's
5 to 40? Well, wouldn't your 40 go down also? You might do anything different than 5 to 40? How come 40? Someone help help out with this 40. Oh, I think you realized it. What happens to the total?
It goes down.
It goes down how much?
6.
So you have 5 to
You had 5 to
34. There's one group that had different. Don't raise your hand if you had different. If you had a different number for that, don't raise your hand. But who thinks what group had a different answer for that? Anybody know what group had a different answer? Leah? Why'd their group have a different answer?
Because they had 3 people.
They had 3 people.
And there was, instead of 6 eating, there was 9.
There was 9 eating. So what did y'all's go to? 2 to 31. They had an extra person. So now, since that extra person went, it went from 3 to 34 to 2 to 31. So their whole ratio changed with just one extra person. Alright, number 9. What's the ratio of orange, green, and yellow jelly beans to purple, red, and pink jelly beans? Bailey? 15 to 19. Who agrees with that? Who had something a little different? And I'll accept something different. Blake?
We had 15.
15 to 16. Why is that? One more person. Changes the ratio. We had 15 to 25. Wonder why they still had 15 to 25. Did you use the totals from the top?
Yeah, and
Did you not subtract the purples now?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Because we ate some of the purples, so your totals changed,
And
didn't
also,
it?
we didn't eat them because we were going to save them to equal 20 at the end.
Okay.
We just subtracted on that one.
Alright, so I'll accept several answers here. Okay, pass your, as we do this next step, you may eat your jelly beans, let's do it quietly, don't eat them all at once. Pass your sheets, have one person pass them to the right, with your names on them. Pass all your sheets to the right. No, I need you to keep that. Just the Starburst jelly beans sheet. Let's keep this. Everyone keep this. Keep this sheet. I just need your group's worksheet. You still have your first sheet? This one? Alright. Alright, turn over the bell ringer at the first, that one. Alright, on the back, we're going to answer this question. Alright, and then we'll be finished. I'm going to put a question up here.
We turned in a lot of machine.
Is that showing up?
Oh, so there you go, it's good.
Alright, I want you to answer this question on the back of your sheet right now. Answer this question on your own. On your own. Not either way.
No.
Okay, let me read the question for us in case people in the back don't understand it.
Sean has 50 coins. Out of these, 22 are dimes and the rest are quarters. Find the ratio of the number of quarters to the number of dimes.
Okay. Simplify. And circle your answer. And when you're finished, turn it into the basket. Alright, if you're finished and your pencil and marker picked up, you may line up. I'm fast enough, just a second, yes. You may line up if you are finished.